did you say you like cake?
What did you do, Josh?
No, I'm saying.
Well, you were allowed to use it. What did you say before that?
This is a great example of how you blame someone else.
You love cake?
Why isn't the flash going off?
Why is it so much here now, Billy? Let me see.
Happy
It may not need it. It may have
Yeah, may not need it in here.
the
Because
visual,
it's pretty bright.
Not yet, Hannah.
button like film.
Hey, Hannah, look at Daddy real quick. 5, 3, 2, 1.
5, 3, 2, 1.
There we go. One more time. This time smile, okay? Not frown. Smile. Ready? Yay!
SpongeBob
There you go.
SquarePants.
They're coming out, right? They're clear. Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's
probably
probably just different with the flash.
that's really nice about digital.
I know, isn't it cool? And then plus you can see the picture to see if you got it organized when you go to develop it the next day. Yeah. And nobody, or your whole film is black.
Yeah.
You know, I didn't want to get any kind of small piece.
Oh.
They'll come out.
You'll love
Okay.
What kind of cake is that, Hannah?
Ready? I'm gonna light them, okay?
Why don't you turn her around, and then you can take a picture with her face.
Oh,
And you go for like a...
You should put this on YouTube. Hold on, let me buy. Whoa, be careful, babe. Yeah, I know. You're a firefighter. You can say that. There you go. Oh my gosh, there's your candles. How many are there?
Not yet, Hannah.
Wait a second. Not yet.
Oh, wait a second. Not just by you.
Okay, ready?
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hannah. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow out the candles now. Make a wish.
You spit.
No, don't.
Blow more.
No way, Jordan.
Jordan.
I don't know why you want me to spit on the cake, but okay.
Then it's really only Hannah's cake.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know.
They're both swinging.
There we go.
that's the bad part of this is the delay.
Alright.
Would you like a corner piece?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm
just gonna put it on YouTube and send it to Grammy.
And it's gonna give her the corner piece that she likes.
When she clicks it, it takes that right picture right there.
All right, there you go.
See in motion.
We need more,
Oh, okay.